Hello everyone, it's SparklingChar and welcome back to my channel. Coming in today to do a project share for Veronica Ballin channel. She has this Try It Tuesday, and so I wanted to try my hand at a new project that Donna Powered by Creativity had did yesterday on her live. So it's called the album, the Matchbook Album. Yeah. So I wanted to come in right quick and support Veronica's channel. She said anybody can jump in on Tuesdays, and whatever project you have on your bucket list or to-do list, that'll be a good time for you to put it in. The only thing she asks is that you hashtag try it, hashtag sorry, try it Tuesday, which I think is an awesome concept, by the way. So let me show you what I did, because on that live yesterday, I just completely botched up my little album, but today I was able to fix it. So this is the first one I did. One of the girls at work, her daughter is having a baby, and I just figured this would be the cutest little picture album to go in with one of the gifts I'm going to give her. So yeah, this is, I'll show you the paper pad I used. This one is from Recollections, called Baby Girl. Got some pretty papers in there, guys. Very pretty. And yeah, follow Donna's tutorial, which is so easy. I don't know why I messed it up, but it goes up under like this and it opens up, and I got it where she could put a picture here, and then this one says, it flips out this way. This one says baby first tooth, so she can show a picture of the baby's first tooth or whatever. And then it goes this way, say baby's first word, picture of the baby. Then it says baby first step. Here, flip back down, baby's first smile. This one says baby's first clap. And I think these would be some really cute pictures that she can add in. This will say baby first crawl. And then this one says baby first wave. It's a pretty paper too. I left this one blank so she can just put any picture in. This one says baby's first laugh. So yeah, so these are really cute. They're easy to pop, put together and make a cute little album, right? So I had a couple of things of my, rosettes, this side of the paper pad, Anna Griffin bowls, some little doodads that I had. So that's the first one. And then this is the second one. Hope I'm in frame. And I used the paper pad. This one is from Recollections also. This is Heritage. I think this is part of Maggie Holmes' collection, which I think, if I'm not mistaken, that Michaels has bought part of her collection or something like that. It's not double-sided, but yeah. So that was cute to use. And I had got these from Michaels a long time ago. The word family, since it's the name of the paper pad is Heritage. And then this was gifted to me. I put some half rosettes back there and put this on. And then let's slide this one out. And then my first one says say cheese. And then this says family is everything. It flips out like this. These two say things to remember, shows a camera. This one say the best day ever with a little butterfly. The next one shows a camera, say family. This one says smile. This is just some wording. You can put a picture on here. This is the house part, so you can put a picture here. This one is bowls. And then this is the house right here. So it's very easy tutorial. Donna did a very great job with her tutorial. This is the back of this one. Oh, I didn't show the back of this one. And this is the back of this one. So yeah, guys. So Veronica, this is pretty awesome. So I got to figure out what I'm going to do next Tuesday for you. Again, it's hashtag Tuesday. And hashtag try it Tuesday. Can't talk. And the channel is V Ballin. You can go over there and show us some crafty love. It'll make you, get your projects done. And again, Thank you, Donna, for doing the tutorial. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember to always sparkle. Bye for now.